Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to start our chapter number 12 of class 9th, that is Heron's formula. Now Heron's formula, it is a main topic for mensuration. mensuration मतलब क्या? तो कोई भी चीज़ का मेजरमेंट करते हैं उसको हम बोलते हैं mensuration. और जनरली we are finding the area or volume of any particular geometrical figure. So Heron's formula is basically used for the finding the area of triangle. Finding area of triangle. Now you have one question that already we have one formula for finding the area of triangle. Yes, you have the formula, that is half into base into height. Means if this is a triangle, for that, if this is a height means altitude h and this is a base, then we can say we have a formula half into base into height. But this formula is not sufficient, because when this height is not given and all three sides are given, let's say this is a 6 centimeter, or sorry, a centimeter, this is b and this is c, that time how we can find the area of this triangle? So we can find this triangle's area using Heron's formula. For all sides are given, when all sides are given, at that time we cannot find the area using this formula, half into base into height. So we need a separate formula. That separate formula is derived by Heron's, one of the famous mathematician. So from its name we can say this is a Heron's formula. And not only for this triangle, we can use this for quadrilateral as well. When we are dividing this into two parts, so this is a one triangle and this is a second triangle, that time also we can find the quadrilateral area by adding these two. This is a second part of this chapter, but board has removed this topic for this academic year. So in 2020-2021 we are not going to study this topic. So application we are not studying this. So generally we have two videos for this chapter. First is introductory part and second one is exercise 12.1. So let us start with Heron's formula. So Heron's formula के लिए आपको पहले तो S की जरूरत पड़ेगी. S means क्या है? S is semi perimeter. Semi perimeter मतलब perimeter तो आपने पढ़ा ही है. Perimeter मतलब क्या? Suppose I am saying this is a triangle with side A, B and C. Then perimeter is equals to, I can say, A plus B plus C. Semi means half, मतलब divide by 2. This is a S. And area of triangle, or we can say Heron's formula, is equals to root S into second bracket S minus A, another bracket S minus B, and another bracket S minus C. So this is a Heron's formula. This formula is called Heron's formula, and this formula will be helpful for using area of triangle when all three sides are given. All sides are of a triangle are given. Now what we can say of all sides means three sides, and here A is first side, B is second side, C is third side, and S is a semi-perimeter. From that we can find different area of a triangle of any type, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle or isosceles triangle, as well as quadrilateral pentagon. When pentagon is given, at the time also we can find its area. How? Let's say this is a pentagon. This is a pentagon. So we can divide into three triangles, 1, 2 and 3. So we can find each area using Heron's formula, and then last we can add all this, so we can get area of a pentagon. Already you have studied this area of triangle when all three sides are given. This is A. This is the equilateral triangle. For equilateral triangle, we were using area is equals to root 3 by 4 into a square. Actually, this is not this formula, half into base into height, but this is the formula derived from Heron's formula. How? Let us start that how we can find area of equilateral triangle using Heron's formula. So let's start with this. Here, or in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are given. So I can say all sides are of each measurement A. So I can write A plus A divided by 2. So this would be 3A by 2. Yes, 3A by 2. And here I am putting this value over here. So this formula would be root S into S minus A into S minus A into S minus A. Why? Because other side B and C both are A. So I had written like this. Now semi-perimeter, that is 3A by 2. That value I am putting over here. So I can write 3A by 2. This is a S. Here 3A by 2 minus A, because S minus A. Again same things are repeated. So 3A by 2 minus A and 3A by 2 minus A. I can write like this. Now by simplification I can say this would be 3A by 2. Here I am taking LCM, so 3A minus 2A upon 2, so that would be A by 2. Here this would be also A by 2 and this would be also A by 2. Now if I am taking common from this, then A by 2 from these two will be common, so its square root A by 2 square, A square by 4, and its square root is A by 2. Similarly, here also A by 2 and here also A by 2. So its square root also it would be A by 2, and in the bracket or in the square root side it would be root 3. Now if I am multiplying this, then this would be A square upon 4, and here it is root 3. So we were using area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 A square, that we were already using. Also for altitude of this triangle, this is H, where we were using H is equals to root 3 by 2 into A. That formula also we had derived from this and this, means half into base into height. Here I can compare, in place of area I can write half into base into height is equals to root 3 by 4 into A square. Now in place of base, what we have? Side, that is A. So half into A into H is equals to root 3 by 4 into A square. Now if I am finding H, then H would be as it is, root 3 by 4 A square as it is, into this 2 will be in multiplication and this A would be in division. So we can write 2 by A. Now 2 2s are 4, I can write, so it would be root 3 by 2. A square would be cancelled out, so it would be A. So H is equals to root 3 by 2A, that we were using for equilateral triangle. So I hope I am clear with this Heron's formula, and we are using this Heron's formula for finding the area of triangle as well as quadrilateral, pentagon. But when we have to find area of quadrilateral or pentagon, then we have to divide it into smaller parts, means triangles, and we can find the area by using area of triangle using Heron's formula. I hope I am clear with this topic. If you have any doubt, please ask to comment box. I'll definitely reply you. Thank you everyone.